Hello students, welcome back to one more video of my channel Icse-Cbse, and in this channel I make videos regarding syllabus of class 9 and 10 biologies. Okay, so today a very interesting topic we will be starting, that is the structure of DNA. This topic is not only in your class 10 syllabus, but this is also a very important part in your class 12 syllabus. The name of the chapter for class 12 will be molecular basis of inheritance. It's a part of your genetics, second chapter of your genetics. This part is there. So this is a common part for class 10 also, and class 12 also. Okay. So let's not waste time and start this. Okay. So we will be starting with the structure of DNA. Structure of DNA. Now, we all know that the full form of DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. It's a very basic thing, so we are not going into this. Just let go directly to the structure. Okay, now see how. See, if you see the structure of DNA, basically DNA is a double helix structure, isn't it? It's basically a double helix structure. Understand? Now, if I see, like if you see the DNA, the structure of DNA is like this. But if I have to draw this in a proper way, suppose a question comes, how will you explain to somebody, or how it happens is, suppose I am drawing this. See. Okay, let me drop this. Okay, now see, this is something which I have drawn. Now, if I have to label this, or if I have to just show you how it happens is, suppose these are your nitrogenous bases A, T, G, C. Understand? Next, this is your hydrogen bond. This one is your hydrogen bond. Clear? Next, this is your sugar. I'm writing S. This is the sugar. And this is the phosphate group attached. Clear? So P is your phosphate group. Okay. S is your sugar. What type of sugar? Pentose sugar. Question comes. Okay. A stands for adenine. T stands for thiamine. G stands for guanine. And C stands for cytosine. Okay, now see students. Always remember, in DNA structure you will have hydrogen bond. These are what? These are the hydrogen bond. Okay. One thing you need to understand very nicely, that is C. Always with adenine and thiamine you will have two hydrogen bond. You will have two hydrogen bond with adenine and thiamine. And with guanine and cytosine you will have three hydrogen bond. Three hydrogen bond with guanine and cytosine, and two hydrogen bond with adenine and thiamine. Thiamine. So for your purpose only you can remember this, that A and T have got double bond. G and C has got triple bond. See, you have to appear for exam. The more shortcut you remember, it becomes, I mean, you have to write in a proper way. But shortcut things are something which we can recall very fast. So, AT double bond is the at. You have, this is a preposition you have talked, you have learned in your English, that at. Okay, so at has got double bond. GC has got triple bond. Understand? One thing you have to understand, these are the pentose sugar. These are the pentose sugar. One more thing, this is a phosphate group. What is this? This is a phosphate group. So if somebody asks you that what is the backbone of the DNA structure, like what is basically backbone means what? Something on which your whole model is standing. Like our backbone is this portion, isn't it? Because this is the thing which is making us stand, a proper shape. So if somebody asks you what is the structure, I mean the backbone of DNA, your answer should be sugar and phosphate. Sugar and phosphate group are the backbone of your DNA structure. So backbone of your DNA structure is sugar and phosphate. Nitrogenous bases are AT and GC. AT has got double bond, GC has got triple bond. One more thing which is very interesting, which you need to know is, see, this portion, that is AG, you call it AG, so AG, yeah. So this is AG and this is CT. Okay. AG is called a purine. What is it called? If you open your book, you will find. And CT is called a pyrimidine. Clear? Understand, students? AG is your, see students, if you either you remember this one or you remember purine and pyrimidine. How I have remembered it, I have remembered this ATGC, ATGC. So if somebody asks me purine, I make it in this way. I make it this like AG. I make it, see, if you want to learn both, it becomes difficult. Learn one and opposite is this. So AG becomes the purine and GC becomes the pyrimidine. This is a purine and this is your pyrimidine. Clear? So this is how you have to recall. Understand? So if somebody asks you about the Salient feature, which is a very common question which comes, Salient features of the DNA. First Salient feature is that the backbone of the DNA is made up of the phosphate group and the pentose sugar. Second, you have to talk about the nitrogenous bases. That is, there are four nitrogenous bases: adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. Adenine and thymine makes a double hydrogen bond, and guanine and cytosine will make triple hydrogen bond. Three hydrogen bonds are there. Understand? Third one we will talk about is the purine and the pyrimidines. What is the purine? That is the AG. That is adenine and guanine is your purine, and thymine and cytosine is your pyrimidine. This is the third point you can say. And which is a very common is, it's basically a polypeptide chain. DNA structure or DNA comes, any question comes, you just remember DNA, it's a polypeptide chain. What is polypeptide chain? Question is not there. It is in a higher studies. Just remember, it is polypeptide chain. It is double helix structure, polypeptide chain. These are the important things which you have to know. So I think you have understood the structure. I have tried to explain it in the easiest way possible. If you did not understand this, I will explain you again. Okay, but for this thing, just understand that, see, this is the structure. If you do it twice or thrice, students, I guarantee you, you will be able to do it. Just do it twice or thrice. Okay, it's not difficult. See, as it is double helix, so one you make in this way, another you make opposite, because it is double helix, right? So it should be like this way. So this is very important, very important for your board level of exam. So I hope I have explained this in a proper way. I have tried to explain this in a proper way. If you still did not understand, you can comment in the comment section. I will make another video where I can teach you with. I will try to teach you in a better way. Okay. So thank you so much, students. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and I know I have made this video after like a gap of 5 days, so I'm sorry for that. Please do support and meet you all in the next video. Till then, thank you.